Bro, it doesn't look good now, but you gotta trust the process.
Yeah.
No, let me see what JJ did.
Ooh, sorry.
Can you fucking... Whoa, what happened, bro?
Slap you with the comb.
I've been paying too much attention to my hair recently and it's bothering me, so I'm gonna get over it now and I'm gonna get my boys to give me a haircut over here. They're gonna either bless me or fuck me up. This is what we're going for.
Since 2 years ago last, we're gonna see how he's gonna come out. Como si yo hubiera estado en su cama.
Alright, so first we're gonna wet the hair. These are the professionals, so what's the first step, guys?
We're gonna wet the hair, make sure it's nice and damp. So then we can arrange it. And
then what?
Never mind.
Bro, it's eating in front of the toilet.
We're gonna wet the hair.
Alright, fully wet.
Yeah. We'll dry it up after as well. It's just so we can cut the hair equally.
Alright, bet. Or no?
This is how you do it. This is how you do it.
No, this is how you don't do it.
Alright. Is it wet enough?
That's wet enough. So now give it a little dry.
Dry your hair.
Bro, give me my fucking towel, bro.
Towel is here.
Thank you.
How's the feel?
Oh, banging.
That's it. Can see everything?
Yeah, alright, is it wet enough like this?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Fuck. Pues esto debería estar por ahí en algún sitio.
Yo, bro, you stuck.
Nice. Ponla como facing this way.
Oh.
Put it facing this way.
I don't know if I can do
Much better now. Shit. Yeah.
Okay, we got it.
Got it.
Recording 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Touch his face. Hold on. All right.
Nice.
Don't get in the shot again, bro. Please.
Okay.
Alright, nice.
All right.
Alright, cool.
First step done.
Alright,
Second step.
setup, done. Now, what's the plan, guys?
Brush it down a little bit. Let's see the hairline first.
The hairline review.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Let's brush it.
Obviously,
so this is what we need
yeah.
to cover. This is what we're working with.
But we want to see, obviously, on the side, like, where's the hairline at? You know what I'm saying?
So what I can start with is we can like cut around the ear.
Alright, here we go.
Alright. I think start with that.
Are you doing it at 2 or whatever? Fun.
No, I went straight to 0.
Do you have like fucking goldfish memory, bruv?
But like, you always do this 1-0, right?
Let's see. So cut around the ear. Cabrón.
No, I think.
De la idea. No me estés quitando todas las hops. A ver, ajá. Déjalo así, ese pedazo déjalo así, bro. Ajá. Entonces lo que aquí lo repetamos un poquito. Cut it around. Yeah. So then we can save it.
It grows back, bro. Don't worry.
It grows back, okay. I'm not gonna go get it like touched up by a professional after this. Whatever you guys do to me is gonna stay with me for months.
Love for that. Love and mucho trust. Okay, guys. So we're gonna round shape on the other ear and try to get the same
length. Not gonna lie, that's respect to you for trusting JJ on your head.
Bro, I was trusting you, but then JJ started cutting, bro.
No, he's having fun, man. Let him have fun.
Well, I'll let him have fun, man. Just let me do you once, I swear.
¿Me? Pues entonces, ¿qué hacemos, bro? Porque ya Nick te quitó un pedazo acá.
¿Acá?
¿No viste?
¿Qué me hicieron? ¿Me has quitado un pedazo de acá?
No. I took like
A ver la máquina, ¿dónde está?
you want to see a picture?
Yeah, show me.
Don't move. Bro, it doesn't look good now, but you gotta trust the process.
Y ahora mira el que yo te estaba haciendo de lado.
You gotta trust the process.
Toma.
Let me see what JJ did.
Pero o sea, recordando la oreja. Y ahora quería hacerle el shape up aquí, pero no va a quedar como el otro.
What the fuck, tío?
It's not that bad. It's not that bad. This is the start. You just gotta trust the process.
You fucking...
It's not that bad.
Tío, don't go so fucking high up, man. I can feel you on my... Motherfucker, you're cutting me, man. You're like shanking me.
¿Con qué le hacemos entonces? Espera, acá jodiendo dibujo ahí.
There's no going back. Should we just go 0, bro? Might as well, brother.
Qué triste. Cabrón, bro.
Bro, you knew this moment was gonna come, bro. When we cut your hair to 0, bro.
Bro, what the fuck was...
That was JJ's influence, bro. He's a bad influence.
You're the one that like did that. You are the one that did that, bro. Oh my god, dog. Yeah, I think it's going to 0, bro. I can't even lie.
Well, it is what it is, man.
It is what it is.
This is what
It's life.
This is what happens for wanting to save up £17.50.
Don't blame you.
Don't blame you, bro. Hey, prices are going up nowadays, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you look good without hair, bro. Just go without hair.
I wanted to have a haircut for the Christmas photos, dog. I'm gonna go there with a fucking kiwi head.
That's looking better. A ver, cuidado.
Fucking hell, God.
Lo estoy haciendo con amor.
Joder, no quisiera ser tu novia.
What are we doing, JJ?
We need a new machine. This machine is not.
It's not good, right?
Yeah.
We're doing our best. That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
Should we do like number 2 on the sides and the back? Put like.
Yeah, you can do like as a star, right?
Pongámosle un nivel. No, haz de uno.
Motherfucker, come on,
Do you understand anything about videos, bro? You're right in the show.
he put the scissor in my eye, like.
Don't worry. Bro, trust the process.
Trust the process. Whoa! What happened, bro?
Slap you with the whole
Fucking hell, dude, my heart.
There's too much hair over here.
I think you guys are plotting against me.
Me?
You messaged each other and you were like, yo, let's like prank him. Let's make him go bald.
The ball?
It's okay. Trip to Turkey after this video, okay?
New video coming out, guys.
Yeah,
13 and 21, and this is 3 and 11.
Yeah, to be honest, man, I might as well just shave it bald and then carry on with my...
Dude, don't ruin our work.
No, I mean like, I'm fine if it gets to that level. You know what I
You
mean?
might just end up with the best haircut you ever had.
I might do, man. You never know though. Come on.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Highly doubt it, though.
negative energy. There's always one.
You gotta put it to charge.
Yeah, let's put it to charge.
It literally just died on you.
Qué cabrón. No, pero si le emparejamos con la yo creo que... Uy, sorry.
Can you fucking... Oh, dude.
Bro, perdón. Pero no pasó nada.
No.
Solamente agarró.
Pásame a tejer, voy a enseñarte. Vente aquí, dame tu cuello, bro.
Bro, más de vuelan es carne dura,
Dios.
Respira. So, here's Laz.
Here's the review.
How you feeling?
Feeling great, man.
5 stars review. So obviously we've covered up the front. We done the sides nicely, as you can see. The homie didn't do so nice on that level.
Bro, look, the hairline goes like up until here,
No,
and then all of a sudden the hair goes down like that.
It goes like, yeah.
There's a hairline here, right? And then there's hair falling out the sides. Hair falling out this side.
What can you tell us,
It makes
Baba?
zero fucking sense, bro.
Hijo
Bro, tranquilo, qué nervioso. Respira.
Es que me has contado 4 veces ya la cabeza.
Tira la
What
cabeza.
the fuck? He's doing like this with the scissors.
Bro, I know.
You're only on that side. You're only on that side.
Bro,
Shit, bro.
he started with the scissors right to cut it, and he was like, "Alright, just stand still." I was like, "What the fuck, man?" Fucking dickhead.
We take him to the bar.
Yeah, I'm going to London.
We'll take him to
Tonight.
the bar.
Don't worry, I'll set you up.
And we'll ask him. We'll ask him to rate us.
We go to a barber shop. Yeah, what do you think of this? You wanna hire me?
Soy feliz con solo verte.
Oh.
Confianza en mí.
Part 2.
Fucking monkey.
Why are you not wearing trousers? Do you want to zoom on your face and stop showing your crotch?
Yeah, bro.
Maybe so much on the video. Just a bit of the top, yeah? You already know the vibes. You said you're alone. I want to be the one like you. The fade line. I reckon we could pattern him up proper, you know?
To be honest. To be honest?
Give me a 360.
What are we saying though? I don't think it's too bad, you know?
He likes it. But you gotta make sure you put it all to the front. Otherwise I'm gonna have to cut that little bit of back. Yeah, like that.
I look like a fucking grandma abuser. You know?
We do be abusing grandmas. No, we're not.
I really like it, man. It's pretty good. Fuck, I get mixed up with Adam, sorry. Yeah, that's
Say
right.
this.
That's correct.
That's how we'd be rolling.
Alright, pass it over here. Yo, what's up everybody? It's post-production Lazarus. I have a plane to catch in 5 hours. Well, I have to get up for it, at least it's 2 AM now. And I wanted to edit this video before I went home for Christmas. I hope everybody a good holiday season. And I just wanted to say that, you know, because I didn't speak directly to the camera really this video. This video was about me actually overcoming these insecurities and overcoming the obsession I had with my looks, to be ready to embrace a very bad job from my friends. But to be honest, all things included, they didn't do too bad. But it was for me to stop obsessing over it and to say, you know what, it doesn't matter how it looks. What matters is how I feel about it. And I want to make this video to inspire others to, you know, put less attention into these things. So one more time before I go, happy holiday season, whether you're with family or whether you're alone. I hope you have a good rest
or a good time. And if you're not resting because you're working for something, then I hope you carry on doing that and achieve your goals as soon as you can. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I'm excited for a new year. Strive to be 1% better every day, and much love.